Right now, while you sleep 8 hours tonight, something is happening to your money. If you are like most people, that something is absolutely nothing. Your money is sitting in a checking account, doing zero work, while inflation quietly destroys its purchasing power and the wealthiest people in the world watch their portfolios compound through the night. Here is a number that is going to bother you. A person with $1 million invested in a diversified dividend portfolio earns approximately $219 in a single night of sleep. That is 8 hours. $219. While doing nothing, while breathing, while dreaming, you earn zero. And that gap, that nightly gap that multiplies over months and years and decades, is one of the most powerful and least discussed forces separating financial freedom from financial stress. Welcome to the Wealth Blueprint. Today we are going to talk about what your money is actually doing while you sleep, why most people never think about this question, and exactly what you need to change so that your financial life starts working for you around the clock instead of standing still. Let us start with what is actually happening to most people's money right now, tonight, while they sleep. The first thing happening is inflation erosion. Inflation is not a future event you need to prepare for. It is a present reality operating on your money at this exact moment. In an environment where inflation runs at even 3% annually, money sitting in a standard checking account or low-yield savings account loses approximately 0.008% of its purchasing power per day. That sounds small. It is not. On $10,000, that is 80 cents per day. On $100,000, that is $8 per day. On $500,000, that is $40 per day gone, silently while you sleep every single night. Not taken by anyone in particular, just evaporated by the fundamental mechanics of inflation operating on idle money. The second thing happening to most people's money while they sleep is opportunity cost. This concept is invisible but devastating. Every dollar sitting in a zero-interest checking account is not just failing to grow. It is actively missing the opportunity to compound at whatever rate the market is generating. The historical average annual return of a broad stock market index fund in the United States over any rolling 30-year period has been approximately 10%. That means every $1,000 sitting idle in a checking account instead of an index fund is missing approximately $274 in annual returns, or approximately 75 cents per day, every day, year after year. Multiply that across $5,000, $10,000, $50,000 in idle checking account money, and the numbers become significant very quickly. Not dramatic, not shocking in any single moment, but compounded over a decade or two. The difference between deployed money and idle money represents a gap of tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars in potential wealth that simply never materialized. Now let us talk about what wealthy people's money is actually doing while they sleep, because this is the real education, not the theory of why idle money is costly, but the practical picture of what actively working money looks like. The first engine running for wealthy people overnight is dividend income. When you own shares in dividend-paying companies or dividend-focused exchange-traded funds, those companies distribute a portion of their profits to you on a regular schedule. Quarterly, monthly, sometimes annually. The payment does not care whether you were productive today. It does not care whether you showed up anywhere or accomplished anything. It arrives based purely on your ownership of the asset. A portfolio of $100,000 in dividend stocks yielding 3% annually generates $3,000 per year in dividend income. That is approximately $8.20 per day, every day, including nights, weekends, holidays, and every day you might be sick, traveling, or dealing with a crisis. The asset works regardless of your condition or availability. Scale that to $500,000, and the daily dividend income becomes approximately $41. Scale it to 1 million and it becomes approximately $82 per day. This is why wealthy investors are so obsessed with building dividend portfolios. Not because the yield is extraordinary, 3% is modest, but because it is relentless. It never stops. It compounds as reinvested dividends purchase more shares, which generate more dividends, which purchase more shares, in a cycle that over decades creates the kind of income that makes work genuinely optional rather than merely theoretically so. The second engine running for wealthy people overnight is real estate cash flow. If you own a rental property that generates positive monthly cash flow after expenses, that cash flow accrues whether you are awake or asleep. While you are watching television, your tenants are paying their rent. While you sleep, the equity in that property is building. While you take a vacation, the mortgage is being paid down by someone else. Residential real estate, particularly in supply-constrained markets, has historically appreciated at a rate that meaningfully outpaces inflation while simultaneously generating current income. The third engine is the market itself, the baseline appreciation of well-positioned assets over time. A diversified index fund holding does not require active management to grow. It simply participates in the aggregate productivity of the companies it holds. When Amazon processes millions of transactions overnight, when Apple earns revenue from App Store purchases made at 2 in the morning, when millions of businesses across hundreds of industries generate their daily output, the index fund investor captures a proportional share of all of that value creation automatically. Not because they did anything, because they own a piece of the system that is always running. Now I want to address something directly, because I know exactly what some of you are thinking at this point. You are thinking that all of this sounds good, but that you do not have enough money to make any of these engines meaningful. That the dividend income on $5,000 is so small it barely registers. That investing feels futile when you are living paycheck to paycheck. I want to tell you two things about that. The first is that the amount is never the point at the beginning. The point at the beginning is the habit and the infrastructure. Opening an investment account and contributing $25 per month is not about the $25. It is about building the behavior, understanding the mechanics, and creating the psychological connection between your financial decisions and your future financial reality. The people who end up with large, income-generating portfolios almost never started with large amounts. They started small. They started consistently, and they let time do the work that capital alone cannot. The second thing I want to tell you is about the power of redirection. Most people do not need to find new money to start investing. They need to redirect money that is currently being spent on things that generate no future return whatsoever. Not because those things are morally wrong, but because there is a direct mathematical relationship between money spent on consumption today and wealth not available for compounding tomorrow. The average American spends approximately $150 per month on subscriptions they rarely use, meals eaten out of convenience rather than enjoyment, and small purchases that provide momentary satisfaction but no lasting value. $150 per month invested consistently for 30 years at an average 10% annual return becomes approximately $340,000. That is not a small number. That is a life-changing number. And it was always there, it was just flowing in the wrong direction. Let me now give you a clear framework for what your money should be doing every night, regardless of where you are starting from today. Step 1. Establish a high-yield savings account for your emergency fund and any money you will need within the next 1 to 2 years. High-yield savings accounts, as of recent years, have offered rates dramatically higher than standard checking accounts. Your emergency fund should be earning something while it waits. The moment it is in a standard checking account earning zero, it is being silently eroded by inflation every night you sleep. Step 2. Automate a monthly contribution to a low-cost index fund, the simplest, most accessible, most consistently proven wealth-building vehicle available to ordinary investors. Set the amount. Automate the transfer. Do not look at it every day. Every month that contribution goes in, your overnight income engine gets slightly more powerful. Step 3. As your index fund portfolio grows, begin to layer in dividend-focused investments that generate current income rather than just long-term appreciation. This is the transition from growing wealth to working wealth, the point where your portfolio begins to feel like a part-time employee that works every hour you are not. Step 4. Educate yourself continuously on the tax advantages available to you. Retirement accounts, in most countries, offer the ability to invest and grow money tax-deferred or tax-free. Money growing tax-free overnight is dramatically more powerful than money growing in a taxable account. Understanding and fully utilizing these structures is one of the highest leverage financial moves available to most ordinary investors. The gap between the wealthy person earning $219 tonight while they sleep and the average person earning $0 is not primarily a gap in income, intelligence, or luck. It is a gap in infrastructure. The wealthy have built systems that work while they rest. Most people have not, usually because nobody ever told them they should. You now know that you should. More importantly, you now know how. Every night that passes with your money idle is a night you are paying an invisible price, the price of inflation, erosion, missed compounding, and foregone dividend income. And every night that passes after you begin to deploy your money productively is a night your financial situation quietly improves without you having to do anything except sleep. Start with one step tonight. Move your emergency fund to a high-yield account. Open an investment account. Set up a $25 automatic monthly contribution to an index fund. It does not matter how small it is. What matters is that tomorrow night, your money will be doing something instead of nothing. Leave a comment below and tell me, after watching this video, what is the one thing you are going to change about where your money sits right now? I read every single comment and I want to hear where you are starting from. Subscribe to the Wealth Blueprint. Hit the notification bell and I will see you in the next video. Your money should work as hard as you do. Tonight, let us make sure it does.